Hi guys, I wish you a very happy new year. So without wasting any time, let's start. As you can see, we are already in the Photoshop. For exporting any format of image as a PDF document, first go to File and then Automate and then select the PDF presentation. If there are no open files, then you can browse and then select the image. You can select more than one image at a time. You can reorganize the sequence of selected images from here. Don't change anything from this panel and hit the save button. Let's go through all these options and let's just leave them as is for now. Hit the save PDF and you are done. Let's have a look at the rendered PDF file. You can also render open file in Photoshop as PDF document to maintain text quality during printing and for some color corrections. Now let's make PDF of this open PSD file. We are going to follow the same process. Now select the add open files option. There could be one or many open files in Photoshop simultaneously. You can see open files added in source file section. Just follow the previous process and let's check if PDF is rendered or not. Thank you for sticking till the end. If you like the video, then like, share and maybe subscribe. Peace.